Free audio post-production by Alphonic.com.
Can I borrow 3 minutes of your time just to talk about life? Look at this. Just 3 minutes. Ayaw niyong bumagsak dahil nahiya kayo sa inyong mga kaopisina. Nahiya kayo sa inyong mga kabarangay. Bakit ka mahiya? Hindi na sila pwedeng kumuha ng bar eh. Ikaw pwede eh. Sasabihin nila, doctorate degree holder sila? MA? Ako naman law graduate. Pag nag-aaral ka ng MA at doctorate, naranasan ko yan, walang kaba. Magre-report ka, relax, bubulahin mo silang lahat. Sa law ba, pwede ka mambola, minura ka ng profesor mo. Sila ba'y nakaranas na Lunes ang klase, Sabado pa lang, kinakabahan ka na? Nakaranas ba sila nun? Nakaranas ba sila ng sitwasyon nung first year tayo, na nung tayo ay binigyan ng assignment sa criminal law? Ang assignment daw ay Articles 1 to 12. Ang tanong 13, 14, 15. Nakaranas ba sila nun? See? Nakaranas ba sila nung tumatayo ka ay nakatingin ka lang? Wala kang masabi? Hawak mo ang silya sa harap mo, tulak. Hanggang sa ikaw halos bumagsak? Nakaranas ba ang MA niya? Nakaranas ba ang doctorate? Tayo nararanasan yan. We are of a different breed. And you have to be proud of it whether you pass the bar or not. Because you are degrees ahead of those who have not completed their law courses. Kapritso mo lang ang pumasa sa bar eh. Lahat ba ng tao kayang maging law degree holder? Meron akong estudyante sa isang college of law dati, pagkatapos ng first meeting, pumunta sa akin, may dalang 4 na libro, author daw siya ng libro. Tininan ko nga, psychoanalytics, etc. Marami. Magaling. Okay, next meeting. Tanong ko, Criminal Law 1, distinguish an attempted felony from a frustrated felony, ha? You tell me in 15 seconds. Namutla. Tumulo ang uhog. Umupo. Putlang-putla. Well, he was 45 years old at that time. I was around 32. Then the next thing, I asked him to recite all of the aggravating circumstances. Word for word. He was not able to do it. He was like a dentist. He said, See? Next meeting, I called his name. He dropped. He never finished 3 weeks of the College of Law. Pero doctorate daw siya. Biro mo yan. Be proud of yourselves. Be proud of yourselves. You are law graduates. Do not think about not making it in the bar. Remember what I told you? It's a delayed success. Passing the bar is just a bonus. It's not needed. If I will become a lawmaker, I will pass a law. No need to take a bar. All of you become lawyers. Every year, bar exams. First year bar, second year bar, third year bar, fourth year bar. No more true bar exams. No, you can work as lawyers already. You're only following the rules of court. Kapritso lang yan ba? Tapos tatanungin ka lang, true or false? Emotion is a pleading, a counterclaim is a pleading. So, see? So, are you proud of yourselves? Sus, Ginoo. Are you proud of yourselves? Yes. So, when you go home tonight, you tell yourselves, I'm a lawyer. What did I say before? Taking this bar is a mere formality. But if you do not make it, you simply say, well, go ahead. It's just delayed. It's not a failure. It's a delayed success. Remember that. Delayed success. Pare, hindi mo nakuha daw last year ang bar. Oo nga, alam mo, pare, huwag kang mag-alala. Delayed success yan. Ilang beses na? Siyempre, marami. Delayed. No. Ganun talaga yan. Hindi lahat makukuha mo lahat ng gusto mo, ha? Huwag mong pilitin. Baka naman 5 buwan ka nang nagre-review, nandun ka pa rin sa civil code dahil gusto mong malaman lahat. You're crazy. You have to go to Mandaluyong and reside there for that. Naranasan ko yan eh. Ganito kayo eh. Kukuha ka ba ng bar? Di ko pa alam eh, nagre-review lang ako. Ba hindi ganun. Nagre-review ka, oo. Kukuha ka ng bar, oo. Handa ka na ba? Hindi. Pero kukuha ka, oo. Dahil kung hindi ako kukuha ngayon, siguradong hindi ako lawyer next year. Ay kung kumuha ako ngayon at naduling sila sa sagot ko, lawyer ako next year. So if you're asking yourself, shall I take the bar or not? You take the bar. Because if you don't take the bar, you are foreclosing any chance of becoming a lawyer next year. But if you take the bar now, you have a chance. Sir, it is slim. Who told you it is slim? Do not sabotage yourself. Don't sabotage yourself. See? Sa kadadasal mo ang sagot na examiner yes ang sagot mo ang pagkabasa niya yes? See? Okay, if you are undecided, let me advise you, take the bar. Sir, I'm not sure to pass. Who told you that? Who told you that? Bilog ang bola dyan. Yung inaakala mong pumapasa, minsan hindi pumapasa. Yung hindi mo ikinakalang pumasa, biro mo, ikaw pumasa. Hindi ko talaga maubos isipin. Oh, ako, muntik nang pumasa ako. Pero ikaw, pasado talaga. See that? So, take it. Take it. Patayin natin ang examiner sa consummation sa kababasa ng ating sagot. Basta ikaw, buhay. See? And do not worry about your answers. Do not worry. Do not ask for a very complete and exact answer. There is no such thing. You only have to give a reasonable answer. Even the members of the Supreme Court do not agree on decisions. Tayo pa? Ano sabi ko noon? Dissenting opinion yung akin Oh. Dissenting opinion na may rason.